and welcome to today's tip. Now, as part of our Black Friday sale, we have got 50% off all of our beautiful sketches books. So I thought I would do a little tip on how to use the sketches in real time. So today I've chosen this fabulous sketch here. It's got 3 sort of landscape looking photos and a cool little edging here. So what I've done is I've got the same piece of paper for the border for my photos as for the strip that goes down the left hand side. So that automatically brings that all together. Okay, then I look at the positioning of the photos. I've got one at the top here, one overlapping, and then I've got this solo one down here. So that looks pretty cool. Now, I don't have this sort of shaped paper, but what I can do is create it by using some of my punches. I've got a circle punch here, so I'm going to punch that out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the colours that are already in my photographs just to really help bring it all together. Here I've got this fabulous green that I found in a magazine, and then I've got some of the navy that I found in a magazine for my daughter's jumper, and a little bit of this red that I've got on the Snoopy jumper here. I'm just going to slowly, bit by bit, build up that edging so it looks like that it's one kind of piece of paper, but actually in fact it's loads of little bits and bobs from my collection. So that's how I would do that edge. We've got these colours matching here. And then the final thing that I've got in this page is the title going along there. So I've got some fabulous sticker letters here that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to write my title along there. So that's how easy it is to finish one of these sketches. There are so many inside this book, it's unbelievable. So if you want 50% off your copy today, then click on the link beneath this video. I hope you've enjoyed this tip, and I look forward to seeing you next time.